Today we're going to put a window in my shop. It ain't going to be pretty, but I need some light in here desperately, because with the lights off, it's pretty dark over here. I really would want some daylight. First things first, going to measure this up. It says 16 on the nose, so it's going to help me with my rough opening. And it's 59.5. I'll end up cutting my opening to 60 inches by 16.5. And that's going to give me a 1/4 inch play all around. This lower sill plate underneath this beam is just going to serve perfectly for the height that I want it to be. So when it's coming down to 16 inches, it's going to run it here. That means people are going to have to get on their tiptoes to actually see in, which is good. And I'm going to have room for some shelves here if I really want it in the future. Right now I'm using it just as a workbench so that I can do small jobs and kind of stuff like that outside. I love being outside. As I said, it ain't going to be pretty, but there we go. Run it up to the wall here, and I'm just going to make sure that it's level. I'll be cutting that out. I'll be cutting this out too. Wow, look at the amount of light I got now. It's freaking awesome. Okay, next step, put a 2x4 back in here. And we got our side piece up. I'm going to measure here. I'm going to put the 2x4 at that height. I've got to lift up here a little bit. I'm going to make a measurement just to make sure you have lots of room. Everything's coming up roses. Window's going to fit right in there. Not even a thing. So, and I'll finish up the framing and then we're going to put the window up. Get bird, guys. So I got the window here. I'm going to point something out to you here. There is a top and a bottom to this. These little cutouts that are in the bottom, those are water vents. There's one on each side. That's going to be on the bottom, and that's going to be on the outside. So it's going to have to, and I don't have a choice, to orient it this way. As much as I wanted it the other way, so that the screen will be over there, I'm going to have to make do with what I have. Okay, let's see if we can slide that in. Wow. Wow. Don't get much better than that, eh? Okay. I'm going to cap it on the outside anyway. So I'm just deciding where I want to leave my gap. I think I'm going to put it to this side. I'm going to make sure it's level. Well, I closed the door. So much light coming in, I couldn't even see. That's amazing. I'm going to find some shim material here. Just to, I want to clear up this gap. Yep. One. That's God saw there. That is okay. Okay. The window's in. It's secure. You're putting in a window though. Don't screw down. Don't screw up. Don't screw up. Inside your house, if you're worried about it, you can pack with some insulation loosely. Don't put screws in the top and the bottom. They're not designed for that. Leave it like that. You'll thank me later because you'll bind the window. Okay. Then you've got just a little trim it up on the outside. You can see on the outside here that I flashed it with whatever I could find. I had some black aluminum window capping. I used that along the bottom. And I used a white flashing on the side of the window that I had to put the shims in. It covers the gap. Around the outside I had some plastic trim, just enough to cover the gap, and it's all siliconed in there with white silicone. That's amazing. And quite simply, if you have an old shed and you need some light, a repurposed window, thrown in, capped up and sealed, perfect. If this is the kind of stuff that you're into, give us a like and subscribe. We have all kinds of projects that we do here at Odd Jobs, where it's our mission to fix everything.